Good morning, dear children. Today we are going to study one new chapter, that is decimals. In your textbook, that is chapter number 8. What is decimals? Have you heard about that word? Yes, numbers with decimal points are called decimals. In any number there is one dot. Such type of numbers are called decimal numbers. For example, in your scale, this is your scale, in between each unit there are some small lines are there. Okay, in between each unit there are some small lines are there. That small lines are called decimal numbers. Here we represent, this is one number line 0, 1, 2. In between 0 and 1, how many equal portions are there? 10 equal portions. You know that? Then in between these two numbers, we place the proper fractions. Okay. Then the first number out of 10 equal portions, this first place is called 1 by 10. Okay. And this one is 2 by 10. 3 by 10, 4 by 10, 5 by 10, 6 by 10, 7 by 10, 8 by 10, 9 by 10. This one is 10 by 10. 10 by 10 means what? 1. Okay. So, here what is the value of this first small line? That is 1 by 10. The same way, when a whole is divided into 10 equal parts, this rectangle is divided into how many equal portions? Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 equal portions. Out of these 10 equal portions, how many portions are shaded? One portion is shaded. So what is the fractional form of this figure? Fractional form of this figure is 1 by 10. Okay. Shaded part shows 1 by 10. So that is called 1/10. The fractional form of 1/10 is 1 by 10. This is the fractional form of 1/10. Then what is the decimal form of 1 by 10? Decimal form, when we convert one fractional number into decimal, how will you convert? This 1 by 10. What is the numerator of this 1 by 10? Numerator is 1. So you just write that numerator. Then you count in denominator. How many zeros are there? In denominator there is only 1 0. So starting from the right side, after one digit you put one dot. Okay. Here the denominator, how many zeros are there? Only 1 0. So starting from the right side, after one digit you put one dot. Here there is no whole number part, so you simply you put 1 0. So what is the decimal form of this 1 by 10? Decimal form of 1 by 10 is 0.1. How will you read this one? 0.1. Okay. These are called decimal numbers. All of you understand? Once again listen. Numbers with decimal points are called decimal numbers. That means here is one dot. One dot represents a decimal point. So this type of numbers are called decimal numbers. Numbers having a dot. Such type of numbers are called decimal numbers. Here in between 0 and 1 in each unit, here also in between 1 and 2, here also how many equal portions are there? 10 equal portions. Then the first small line is called 1 by 10. Second one is 2 by 10, like that. This one is called 10 by 10. 10 by 10 means what? 1. When a whole is divided into 10 equal parts, each part is called 1/10. 1 by 10. Here also one whole thing is divided into 10 equal portions and one portion is shaded. So what is the shaded parts shows 1/10 out of this 10, one portion shaded. So what is the fractional form of this 1/10? 1/10. So in this 1/10, what is the decimal form of this 1/10? Decimal form is, you just write the numerator, then you count in denominator how many zeros? Only 1 0. So starting from the right side, after one digit you put one dot. This way you convert fractional numbers into decimal numbers. This 0, how will you read this one? 0.1. Okay. Next topic, parts of a decimal. In one fractional number, which are the parts? Suppose this is 1/10. Which are the parts? This is called numerator and this one is called denominator. This is fractional line. The same way, which are the parts of a decimal? Here two parts are there. In between two numbers there is one dot. Here in between two numbers there is one line, that is called fractional numbers. But here in between two numbers there is one dot. Such type of numbers are called decimal numbers. Here two parts are there. Left side of that decimal dot, this is called whole number part. This is whole number part. And right side of dot, this number is called decimal part. Once again listen, which are the parts of a decimal number? In between two numbers there is one dot. This dot is called decimal point. This dot is called decimal point. And left side of dot, this number 23. This 23 is called whole number part, and after the decimal point, that number, this 5 is called decimal part. These are the parts of a decimal. Then next thing, what is the place value of a decimal number? Then here your question is 14.5. In this question, which are the parts? Whole number part is 14. Then decimal part is 5. In whole number part, 40, what is the place value or what is the expanded form of this 14? This you know that. What is the expanded form? Place value of 4 is 1. Place value of 1 is tens. So expanded form is 10 plus 4. Okay. Expanded form of this 14 is 10 plus 4. The same way, there is no change, that is 14.5. Here the whole number part is 14. So what is the expanded form of 14? 1 tens. And how many ones are there? 4 ones. Then there is one decimal point. After the decimal point, this 5 is called decimal part. So after the decimal point, that means 0.1. What is the place value of 0.1? 1/10 is called 0.1. So the place value of 5 is 1/10. So place value of 5 is 5 tenths. So expanded form of this number 14.5 is equal to 10 plus 4 plus 5/10. Once again listen. The whole number part of this question is 14. So the expanded form of 14 is 10 plus 4. Then what is the expanded form of this 5, or what is the place value of this 5? After the decimal point, the first place is called 1/10th. That means 5 by 10. So expanded form of this number is 14.5 is 10 plus 4 plus 5 by 10. Then your next question, here what is the expanded form of this number? This is the whole number part. Whole number part is 256. In 256, what is the place value of 6? 6 is 6 ones, 5 tens and 2 hundreds. Ones, tens, hundreds. So what is the expanded form? 200 plus, what is the place value of 5? Tens. So 50 plus place value of 6 is 1. So 6 ones are 6 plus, then here the decimal part is 7. So what is the place value of this 7? 7 tenths. So 7 by 10. This is the expanded form of this number. All of you understand? In your textbook, page number 168, exercise 8.1. Second question, write the following decimals in the place value table. Here some decimal numbers are given. Then you draw one place value chart and place it. Okay. Then this is the place value chart. Which are the places? In whole number part, which are the places? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh and crore, like that. But in decimal part, 1 by 10. After the decimal place, first place is 1 by 10, 10th place. So in a place value chart, there are two parts are there. Which are they? Whole number part and decimal part. Whole number part, which are the places? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, like that. Decimal part, that are 10th, 1 by 10. Next is 1 by 100, 1 by 1000, 1 by 10,000, like that. So here your first question is 19.4. Here, which is the whole number part? Whole number part is 19 and decimal part is 4. So decimal part, here you write that 4. Okay, after the decimal point, the first place is 10th place, that is 4 by 10, that is by 10. So here you write 4. This is decimal dot. Then in whole number part, which is that number? 19. So what is the place value of this 9? 9 ones. So here you write 9. Then 1. What is the place value of this 1? Tens. So here you write 9. So this is the position of 19.4 in a place value table. Then your second question is 0.3. Here, what is the decimal part? Decimal part is 3. So position of 3 is here. Okay. This is decimal point. There is no whole number part, that is 0. So that means 0 ones are there. So simply you write here 0. This is the position of 0.3. Then your next question, 10.6. Here decimal part is what? 6. So what is the position of 6? What is the place value of 6? 6 by 10. So this is the decimal dot. Then 10. In 10, how many ones are there? 0 ones. So here you write 0. Then how many tens are there? 1 tens. So here you write that 1. Then your last question, 205.9. Here the decimal part is what? Decimal part is 9. So here you write 9. Then decimal dot. Then how many ones are there? 5 ones. So here you write 5. How many tens are there? 0 tens. So here you write 0. Then how many hundredths are there? 2 hundredths are there. So this is the position of each decimal numbers in a place value table. Okay. Third question, write each of the following as decimals. Here number name is given. You write these numbers in words. Okay, in figures. How will you write this in figures? 7 tenths. What is the fractional form of this 7 tenths? 7 tenths. This way you write 7 tenths in fractional form. Okay, 7 and tenths. Tenths means 1 by 10. So 7/10 is this one. So what is the decimal form of this number? What is the rule? To convert a fractional number as a decimal, simply you write the numerator. Okay, then you count in denominator how many zeros are there? Only 1 0. So starting from the right side, after 1 digit you put 1 dot. Here is no whole number part, so simply you put 1 0. So what is the answer of this one? 0.7. Okay. Then your second question, 2 tenths and 9 tenths. 2 tenths means what? 2 tenths. Here is no ones place is there. So you put in ones place number is 0. How many tenths are there? 2 tenths. So this number is 2 tenths means 20 and 9 tenths. So and 9 tenths means 9 by 10. Okay. Then what is the decimal form of this number? 20.9. That means here is only 1 digit in the numerator and the denominator only 1 0. So what is your answer? 20.9. Then third question, 14.6. This is very easy. 14. Simply you write 14. Then point. Put 1 dot. Then which number? 6. 14.6. Then fourth one, 102 ones. Here in ones place number is 2. Okay, ones place number 2. Then which is the next place? Tens place number. Here is no tens place number is there, so you put 1 0. Then next is 100th place number. How many hundreds are there? 100. So 102. This way you write 102. 102 ones. There is no decimal places are there. So this is the number 102 ones. There is no decimal part is there. Then question number E, 600.8. 600. Simply you write 600. Then point. Which number? 8. It is very easy. Okay, this way you write the numbers, the given numbers in figure. Then 7 tenths means 7 by 10. What is the, this is the fractional form of this sentence. So what is the decimal form of this fractional form? 0.7. 2 tenths and 9 tenths means 20 plus 9 by 10, that is 20.9. Then 14.6. Simply you write 14.6. Then 102 ones. That means here ones is there. No tens place is there. So simply you put 1 0. Then how many hundreds are there? 100. So here no decimal places are there. So simply you write 102. Then last one, 600.8. So 600.8.